Hello students, welcome again in chemistry, part 3 of aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid. In this video, we will learn about the physical properties of aldehyde and ketones, as their physical properties are much important to explain, to show their special behavior and their uses. But before the explanation of the properties of aldehyde and ketone, we should know the nature of carbonyl group. And carbonyl group is polar. A polar molecule, it means contains partially positive charge and partially negative charge. Carbonyl group contain partially positive charge on carbon and partially negative charge on oxygen. And this polarity affects a lot to the physical properties of the carbonyl compound, especially of aldehyde and ketones. Aldehyde and ketones both contain carbonyl group. Carbonyl group is polar, but then too both shows different properties. Why is it so? Very simple. Carbonyl carbon of aldehyde contain one alkyl group and one hydrogen atom, while in ketones carbonyl carbon contains two alkyl groups or two aryl groups, and this presence of alkyl groups reduce its polarity. This is an aldehyde where RCHO. CHO is a main functional group. Here ketone is there, in which carbonyl group is connected with two alkyl group. Carbonyl group shows resonance also, in which carbonyl carbon and oxygen might be neutral, or shows polarity, means partially charged carbon, partially positively charged carbon and partially negatively charged oxygen. Now we will proceed with physical properties of aldehyde and ketone, such as physical state, order, solubility in water and organic solvent, melting point and boiling point, and uses. Very first, physical state of aldehyde and ketone, in which state they are available at room temperature. Lower member like methanol is available in gaseous form, while other higher members like ethanol, ketone and other aldehyde and ketones are available in liquid state. Very higher aldehyde and ketones are available even in solid state. Their physical state depends on their molecular mass. As the mass increases, their physical state changes from gaseous state to solid state. Because mass increases, size increases, attraction force also increases. We will talk about odor or smell of the compound. Lower member like methanol has very sharp and pungent smell, while other members have rather than pungent smell, they have fragrance. As the size increases, pungent smell converted into fragrance. Benzaldehyde has a smell of bitter almond, while other aromatic aldehyde have pleasant smell. Benzaldehyde can easily recognize by its bitter almond smell. Now about boiling point of aldehyde and ketones. Aldehyde and ketones have higher boiling point compared to the alkanes and ethers because they contain polar carbonyl group. And due to polarity, intermolecular attraction force is more. And that's why they are strongly attracted to each other, which is responsible to higher boiling point. Now, how does polarity increases boiling point and melting point? Polar compounds always have greater intermolecular attraction force, or we could say dipole-dipole interaction. And because of that strong attraction force, molecules are strongly bonded to each other, which affects to boiling point. It means to remove that attraction force or to remove the molecules from each other, we have to give more and more temperature. It's another matter that boiling point also depends on the size and mass. If we see aldehyde, as mass increases, boiling point increases. Same way in ketones also. Here comparative chart is given about different compounds. As the molecular attraction force increases, boiling point increases. So alkanes have lowest boiling point while carboxylic acids have highest boiling point. This all over depends on the intermolecular attraction force. Now, boiling point of aldehyde and ketones, if we see, aldehydes always have higher boiling point than ketones because dipole-dipole interaction is more in aldehyde compared to ketones. Same way, aldehyde and ketones have much lower boiling point compared to alcohols. Because in alcohols, intermolecular hydrogen bonding is very strong, while aldehyde and ketones could not form intermolecular hydrogen bonding, which also affects boiling point. Now we will discuss about solubility of aldehyde and ketones. Lower aldehyde and ketones are easily soluble in water. They are miscible in water because they can form intermolecular hydrogen bonding with water molecules. But higher members are immiscible. As the length of alkyl group increases, polarity of carbonyl group also decreases, which reduce tendency to form hydrogen bonding. That's why higher members of aldehyde and ketones are insoluble in water. Yes, but they are miscible, very much miscible into organic solvent like benzene, ether, and other organic solvents. Uses of aldehyde and ketones. Because of their special properties like odor, melting point, boiling point, solubility in water, they are used for special purposes. Like some are used to blend the perfume, some are used as a flavoring reagent, some are used in cosmetic as a solvent, like acetone is used as a thinner in nail polish. Some are used as a preservative, like aqueous solution of formaldehyde is used as a preservative in laboratories. In such way, there are different uses of aldehyde and ketones. This chapter will be continued with more videos. Thank you so much to see it. Now please like and subscribe the channel.